Audio Jungle.
Okay, so I'm curious, you've got a few years in the business. What advice what advice might you give to men or women coming into this industry today?
This is a wonderful, amazing business and industry to be in. I absolutely love it. I have loved it 100% all the way through. The people I've met, the customers, they're like family. I love it. This is not a passive income. Please, any, you know, article you might read or something you see on social media, these nice little clips so you can go hire a coach or whatever. I'm telling you now, this is not passive income. You are going to be boots on the ground, hands on everything. Um, don't be afraid. This is a really, really great business. It's recession proof. It might take little dings here and there, but it doesn't flop. This is a necessity. We got through COVID and all kinds of, I've watched income or the economy do this over the years, and here I am, still standing
Yep.
strong. Yeah.
I love it. Well, yeah, I mean, and you've got that's probably the hardest thing for somebody new coming in. The hardest thing is probably to be able to sit in that discomfort of the ups and downs, right? Like you got to be willing to ride the thing out. Like it's not instant income. You got to work and you got to ride the peaks and the valleys. Like you got to get through it all. So, and
Hmm.
I think, yeah, you've been a testament to that and you're very comfortable there.
Yeah.